So, square root of 28.
How did you know to put the y squared out there?
Because I know that the square root of y to the fourth is y squared. But I don't know how to easily get this down.
Okay. Is there another way to write y to the fourth?
Oh.
What's y?
Y times y times y times y.
Okay, y times y times y times y. Okay. Does that help you at all then? Focus on, maybe if we're tackling the 28, let's focus on the x cubed.
Okay.
What's another way to write x cubed?
X times x times x.
Okay, x times x times x. Can you see any square in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So x times x.
So, just x?
Okay, yeah, what's the square root of x times x? Okay, now what's in the radical? What happened to that third x though?
Out there. Oh.
X squared became out there, so you leave an x in there. Do you understand that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. How do you suppose we solve the square root of 28 then?
We have to break that down into, let's see. We have to break it down into numbers that are smaller that can be put out there and out here.
Okay. Yeah, let's break 28 down. Let's simplify 28 down.
20, okay.
Let's write it in another way.
I could do 27.
Yeah, all right.
Or
So
break it down like in half, like totally cut it down.
what did you do for x cubed?
Broke it down into 3 parts.
All right. You broke it down into things that it was divisible by, right? So you did x times x times x. Well, what things multiply together to get 28? What numbers?
4s.
All right. Here's a hint. Divide 28 by 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So how can you write, what's 28 divided by 2?
13 or 14?
14. Okay. So another way to write.
7 times 7. 4 times?
What's 7 times 7?
14.
Not 7 plus 7.
Oh.
What's 7 times 7?
Oh, that's not right.
Okay. But no, you're onto something though. All right. So what's 28 divided by 2?
14.
14. All right. So 2 times 14 is equal to 28. All right. So just how you wrote x cubed as x times x times x, let's write 28 as 2 times 14.
Okay.
Okay. From there, can you do anything?
The square root, you can't get, 14 isn't divisible by a square root, or there's no square root of 14.
Okay,
so
there's no pretty square root of 14, so let's write 14 a different way then.
Okay. Just 2 times 7?
Okay, yeah, 14 is 2 times 7. All right, so what's the way to write 28 then?
2 times 2 times 7.
That's right, 2 times 2 times 7. Now, do you see anything in there that you can find a perfect square root of?
2 times 2.
2 times 2, okay. What is 2 times 2?
4.
4. So you can write 28 as
4 times 7.
4 times 7. Okay. So if you want to put all that, rewrite the radical now. So.
Okay.
All right. So what do you have in the radical now? Write 28 as in the new form that we just found.
In that?
In that, or in 4 times 7. All right. zx, and don't forget the stuff out front. Okay, now, what can you do with the 4 or 7? How can you get...
You can do 2 times the square root of, or 2 squared.
Alright, 4 is 2 squared. Okay. So, can you take the square root of that?
You mean like that?
Okay. What is the square root of 4?
2.
2. So what's going to go out in front of the square root then?
Just
Is it
a 2.
2 squared? Just a 2.
Okay.
That's right.
Oh, right. Okay.
So, there you go. So then, you would get 2y squared x times the square root of 7zx
And that's the most
is
simple.
equal to what we started with,
Yeah.
alright? But it's in a much simpler form. So therefore, you just correctly simplified that expression up top.
Okay.
Awesome. Good job.